Smartphone privacy. Welcome to Tech Crazy Trends. Today's privacy meets technology. We're diving into the essential tips and tricks for maintaining your privacy on your smartphone. Whether you're an Android aficionado or an iPhone enthusiast, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Maintaining privacy on a smartphone is crucial in today's digital age. Here are some effective ways to enhance privacy on your smartphone. Use strong passcodes or biometric authentication. Set a strong passcode or use biometric authentication methods like fingerprint or facial recognition to prevent unauthorized access to your device. Keep software updated. Regularly update your smartphone's operating system and apps to ensure you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. Enable device encryption. Encrypt the data stored on your device to prevent unauthorized access in case your phone is lost or stolen. Most smartphones have built-in encryption features that can be enabled in the settings. Review app permissions. Review the permissions granted to each app and revoke access to unnecessary features or data. Be cautious when granting permissions to apps and only give access to the information they need to function properly. Use secure messaging apps. Choose messaging apps that offer end-to-end encryption to protect your conversations from eavesdroppers. Apps like Signal, WhatsApp, and Telegram are known for their strong encryption standards. Limit location tracking. Disable location services for apps that don't require it for functionality. Be mindful of the apps that track your location and review their settings to minimize tracking. Be mindful of the apps that track your location and review their settings to minimize tracking. Beware of public Wi-Fi. Avoid connecting to the unsecured public Wi-Fi networks as they can be vulnerable to hackers. If you must connect to public Wi-Fi, use a virtual private network VPN to encrypt your internet traffic. Review privacy settings. Regularly review and adjust the privacy settings on your smartphone and apps to limit the amount of personal data being shared with third parties. Use two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA whenever possible to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. This typically involves receiving a one-time code via SMS or authentication app in addition to entering your password. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of suspicious emails, text messages, or links that may attempt to trick you into disclosing personal information. Avoid clicking on links from unknown sources and verify the legitimacy of requests before providing sensitive information. By implementing these practices, you can significantly enhance the privacy and security of your smartphone. And that's a wrap on today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful in safeguarding your privacy on your smartphone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech-savvy content. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep your privacy intact.